Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon KDP to make money. First, let's understand what KDP offers. It's a fantastic platform that lets you publish your books, whether they are e-books, paperbacks, or hardcovers, without any initial fees. A major benefit is that you keep all the rights to your creative work. Getting started is simple. You just need to create a free account. Once your KDP account is ready, the next step is preparing your book. Focus on creating a high-quality manuscript that is thoroughly edited. A professional book cover and proper interior formatting are crucial for attracting readers. Don't forget to select strong keywords and up to 3 relevant categories to help readers find your book easily on Amazon. Now it's time to publish. Upload your prepared manuscript and cover files directly to your KDP dashboard. When pricing your ebook, aim for between $2.99 and $9.99 to qualify for the 70% royalty option. For paperbacks and hardcovers, you generally earn 60% of the list price after printing costs are deducted. Publishing is just the beginning. Effective marketing is key to making money. Leverage Amazon's built-in promotional tools, such as Kindle countdown deals, to attract buyers. Connect with your audience on social media and consider collaborating with other authors. For increased visibility, explore Amazon ads, like sponsored products, to get your book in front of more potential readers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.